Now on the back side, you're going to be doing SH words, okay? So anything with an SH, and you've seen these so many times. I know that you're experts at them, so go ahead and get started. Thank you, boys and girls. Hi, boys and girls. So today we're going to do something new with your spelling words, and we are going to write sentences with each spelling word. So we need to make sure that the sentences are complete. And so I'm going to help you through this one. So the first word is chip. So we could write a sentence using the word chip, like I eat the chip. So we start with the capital I, and then we leave a finger space and write the word eat, E-A-T. And then we leave another space and the word the, like this, and then leave another finger space and write chip. Now, we got to remember at the end of our sentence goes a period. Make sure that you have finger spaces in between each word because that helps the reader be able to read the words. If they're squished together, then it makes it really hard to read the sentence. Okay, so our second spelling word is going to be think. So let's do she can think in class. Here we go. Capital S, she, and then we leave a space and we write can. And then we're going to write the word think. Ink. And then we leave another space and we write in. And then the last word is class. K-O-A-S. Good. All right, so she can think in class. Another word is shop. We shop for a toy. Capital W, we shop for a... Now, I don't think I have enough room to finish the sentence on that line, so I'm going to go to the next one. Toy. And then I put a period. We shop for a toy. Okay, let's do another sentence with the word cash. My mom has cash. Capital M, my, then I leave a space and I write mom. Then I leave another space and I write has. And then I write the word cash. K-ash. K-ash. And a period. Okay. We have one more sentence to do. And our spelling word is going to be which. This one's going to be a question. Which candy do you like? So we start with a capital, which, and then I leave a space and I'm going to write the word candy. K-A-N-D-E. Which candy do, and then I'm going to go the next line, you like. Now, if I'm asking a question, I'm not going to put a period at the end of the sentence. I'm going to do a question mark. Okay, so now that we have our sentences done, let's go back and read them. Can you read sentence 1 to me? Read sentence 1. I eat the chip. Now do sentence number 2. She can think in class. And sentence number 3. We shop for a toy. Number 4. my mom has cash. And number 5, which candy do you like? Very good.